Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials I am going to show you how to change cart icon color in your Shopify online store. So if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, and you have changed the color of header, or basically you wanted to change the total color and use your own color in your website, then you will face this problem to change the color cart icon color. So here I am going to share the easy solution that you can follow and fix this issue within few minutes. These tutorials will be not too much long, so let's get started. Here you can see that I have changed the color of header. Basically I have changed the color of full body, make it from white to black, and that's why I face this problem that my cart icon color is still black. As my background color is black and cart icon color also black, it is invisible right now, or it's don't show very clearly. So this is the big problem for any Shopify online store who wanted to change the color or customize color and build their website with done theme. Okay, to fix it I am not going to show you a lot of technical part or a lot of things that you have to follow and you feel boring. Just go to my website e-commerce thesis, and I will share this code snippet link in the video description, and you just copy this code and use it on your Shopify online store. Now let me show you the process how you can do this. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel. Then click on the sales channel, open online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and simply open the icon cart liquid file. Just search here icon cart, then you will find this file icon cart liquid, and simply copy this code from my website ecommercethesis.com. I'll share this code source link in the video description and paste it here, right here. Okay, then click on save, then you are done. So finally you have to reload your browser. So I'm going to reload, and you can see that the color icon has been changed. It's right now white. So it's super easy. Thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service or support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.